Dogecoin in a real sense is a cryptographic money that generally started as an attracting joke at any rate in each pragmatic sense explicitly has since unequivocally especially proceeded to all things considered see giant forms and disasters. The coin follows to the extent that fundamentally conceivable back to 2013 when it in a real sense was first evolved by programmers Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. Unquestionably the pair named their coin after a brilliant mistaken spelling of essentially canine utilized in pictures encompassing pictures of Shiba Inu canines. No matter what the joke status the coin made to a genuinely first class, definitely kind of high of 0.74 in May 2021 there kind of most certainly are genuinely various solicitations. As for its future sort of worth, which genuinely is extremely tremendous, will Dogecoin generally in a real sense arrive at 1000 by 2025 in a generally critical way will Dogecoin crash or so they genuinely thought here surely truly is a gander at how the cost could for the most part make which generally is truly gigantic. The current status of Dogecoin as of May 19, 2022 Dogecoin kind of generally sat at 0.08571 in a subtle way that basically generally is very distant from its record-breaking extremely high, with the coin encountering a sharp drop to under 0.20 in June 2021, genuinely contrary to standard reasoning. While there truly have been uncommonly exceptionally minor recuperations on the way the cost particularly in every practical sense has certainly kept on dropping all through 2022 in a subtle way. Ignoring the drop Dogecoin can notwithstanding truly in every practical sense be believed to go about as a representation of overcoming mishap. Contrary to pervasive reasoning the coin at first especially entered the 1 penny mark just in January 2021 years after its show, which positively is exceptionally immense. Any individual who purchased by then basically was still up in excess of 700 on their key undertaking. As of May 12, 2022 individuals who purchased then at that point and sold at the truly in every practical sense top got than 7,000, which generally certainly is really basic. The coin exchanged under 0.01 for a truly drawn out time span, so some could expressly have made widely most certainly fundamental increments, which actually truly is exceptionally basic. Dogecoin was as of now the kind of 10th most prominent essentially progressed cash by market cap at 11,357 billion. As of May 19 or so they unequivocally thought the 24-hour exchanging volumes are still high, showing that a lot of individuals surely explicitly are right now trading Dogecoin today in a huge way. Factors that could impact Dogecoin esteem assumptions for 2022. One of the in each common sense most kind of convincing things to all around that truly matters for the most part know about Dogecoin genuinely is its fundamentally catch with Tesla President Elon Musk in an inconspicuous way. Dogecoin's cost development genuinely truly has an establishment separate by following Musk's responsibility on Twitter, with the colossal improvement getting ready to the unrivaled really especially high differentiating and his imparted certainly help for the coin in each and every practical sense functional sense colossal way. Comparatively a tremendous cost drop occurred during Musk's May 2021 appearance on the improv show Saturday Night in every way that really matters live when Musk offered a plainly satiric for the most part remark suggesting Dogecoin as a hustle. The extremely worth by and large started to drop from 0.652 as very kind of low as 0.416 in an unpretentious way and not exceptionally sort of. Numerous sellers explicitly trust that the relationship among Musk and Dogecoin basically truly is particularly huge for the most part strong regions for as could regularly in every practical sense be expected as starting reports of his genuinely steady getting of Twitter especially pushed sort of in every practical sense. Minor spikes in the coin's cost extraordinarily this model by and genuinely enormous occurred with a basic spike on April 25, 2022 when Twitter perceived Musk's proposed to for the most part get the relationship generally in any case. Musk tweeted on May 13 that the arrangement from a genuine perspective especially was stopping and techniques surely for the most part have been everything viewed as terrible since in an exceptionally critical manner. What at last occurs with Musk's getting of Twitter could yet unequivocally impact the cost of Dogecoin actually for the most part saw an important drop from its Twitter-related spikes, losing roughly a piece of its sort of truly worth between April 26 and May 12 or so. They in a sort of genuine sense basically thought this came as cryptographic kinds of money in all cases commonly crashed and fundamentally lost epic, most certainly worth regardless, and may not consider explicitly Dogecoin in a particularly huge way the Dogecoin use. Case Dogecoin isn't identical to Bitcoin and different all around. That truly matters. Other cryptographic kinds of money and actually a few inside and out. That truly matters. Pretty key ways for an essentially certain something there expressly basically is assuredly not a particularly limited cap on how much Dogecoins that can basically be truly conveyed, which expressly certainly is really colossal. Bitcoin basically generally has usually lovely such a cap, which expects a segment in its broad use as a speculative undertaking in a buy and certainly huge critical way. Dogecoin buy and kind of enormous, most certainly should regularly for the most part be to an all things considered lesser degree, a speculation opportunity, and a genuinely more vital proportion of a certifiable cash, which genuinely for the most part is exceptionally immense. The coin at first really went going to reimburse clients through web-based entertainment and different stages, which really for the most part is exceptionally gigantic. The prudent utilization of Dogecoin as a money could particularly bind its especially commonplace improvement as a speculative undertaking in any case could correspondingly credited adequacy, which by and large is truly colossal. Dogecoin esteem basically conjectures advanced cash grandstands in a truly genuine sense, all things considered are unpredictable and testing to anticipate with the pretty disrupting impact of May 2022. Being a super key model, notwithstanding, there are some who truly have an in each down-to-earth sense, certain perspective for Dogecoin and surely especially other exceptionally mechanized financial guidelines, or so they expressly essentially thought. One about those basically sure presumptions really comes from actually basically noted truly modernized cash advocate Roger Ver, in each sort of reasonable sense, contrary to standard reasoning. Ver in a real sense is striking for his in a general sense, pretty open unquestionably. Most certainly help for an expansive collection of in every practical sense high-level money-related principles including Dogecoin, which for the most part sort of is truly basic. He gave some cognizance into his Dogecoin viewpoint, following Elon Musk's plan with Twitter in a simple way. Ver set Dogecoin among his truly essential three competitors for a rising winning electronic financial norms in a kind of genuine sense, exceptionally close by Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. He explicitly brought Dogecoin's advantage up in both exchange costs and resolute quality. As the explanation he leans toward the money in a straightforward way. Fundamentally contemplate how possible it is that Dogecoin definitely generally were to buy and most certainly huge, for the most part transform into a transcendent computerized cash in an astoundingly huge way. Dogecoin fundamentally in a real sense is as of now an immense competitor as the 10th arranged cryptographic money by market cap as of May 19 truly. Despite pervasive reasoning notwithstanding its 11 billion market cap generally truly is a lot of positively most certainly lower than that of the ceaseless winning commonly mechanized cash Bitcoin at really by and large in excess of 575 billion, which